14th one, write a Python program that starts each string with a specific number. Okay, that starts each string with a specific number. Suppose if you write a pattern 5, so it starts with the 5 number. Okay, so you have to write like pattern like that, simple one. So I have written read.compile method here. Here compile function. The compile function compiles regular expression and returns the object. Okay, regular expression object here. Okay, so, okay, it returns object here. See, pattern. It returns a compile regulation, returns a pattern object here. Okay, so our symbol 5 means it starts, the string must start with 5 here. Okay, just check the output now. Okay, 523 whatever, true here. Okay, check again. Suppose I am written Python here, so it return false here because it doesn't start with 5. Simple. Okay, just you have to use compile. If you want to convert the regular expression into the compile, that means pattern object, you have to use this compile function here. Okay, this compile function in a import module, and then you can check using if condition, if loop, m.match string, and returns true, otherwise false. Simple. Okay.